Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. Today I'm going to show you everything that I'm going to work on. It's not going to be a lot. I'm not going to come before you long. I've noticed that people don't watch like the longer videos as much as people want the longer videos. Therefore, I'm going to try to keep this real sweet, short, and simple. That was a tongue twister. If you're new here, I'm Kim, 𝐄𝐍𝐉𝐎. I do videos pertaining to home life, cooking, cleaning, DIYs, projects, repairs. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, please subscribe, okay? That's the first thing. Hit the like button, say hello in the comments, let's get started. I DIY'd this little thing right here a long time ago for my niece. This is what it really looks like on this side. However, I do use it because it's really comfortable. I was sitting down on the ground on Friday. Today's Sunday. I need to get that cleaned up. I need to do a gypsy couch clean. The other part of the couch is right here. That needs dusted. So does that, as well as the TV. Let me tell you something about TVs and me and the TV stand. I don't clean the TVs as much as I need to. I know there's one thing in your home that you don't clean as much as you need to either. I also need to clean off this mirror, this window. Look at what they've done back here. More condos. Okay, moving right along. That needs dusted off as well. And then I'll be finished in here. Moving along to the kitchen. I made some food for my husband because I don't know what time he'll be off work today. Therefore, I need to get this cleaned up. I need to get the food put away. I just made some spaghetti. It's 11:11, Make-A-Wish. The stove is not clean at all whatsoever because I knew I would be doing a cleaning video, but I also need to clean out the inserts and I need to hang this up. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I hope you had an amazing week since the last time we spoke. Let me know what you've been up to, what you've been watching, what you've been reading. I know I say that every single video, but I'm genuinely interested. I finally finished The Summer I Turned Pretty. I believe the last episode was either last week or the week before last, so now I need to find a new series to watch. There's this stage that you go through when you watch a series and it's over and it's really good. And it's kind of, I don't want to say depressive stage. I want to say a stage of missing something. And that's the stage that I'm in right now. So hopefully the next show that I find is a long series so that I can binge it. Like I'm talking 6 seasons or something like that. And then, you know, move on from there. But I really, really do love watching series. So let me know what you're watching. I also want to give a shout out to every single YouTuber who watches my videos. First of all, you are brave. You are brave. You are courageous. You are vulnerable for putting your home for everyone to see. It's not an easy thing to do, but shout out to you. Keep going no matter what. Just keep going because there's one person out there who really, really loves you. And really that one person is all that matters. So now I'm just going to get this food put away, get these dishes done, and just get this kitchen all the way together so that I can move on to my living space. The only thing that I will not be doing in this kitchen today is sweeping and mopping because my daughter is supposed to handle mopping at least once a week in the kitchen. So she's going to sweep and mop the floor for me.
When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah. I promise you'll never leave me. When it comes to you and me, there's no one else I'd rather be with. Baby, I won't let you down. I got it. I know you need it. Love is it when you're around. Oh, please say that you believe it.
Moving right along to the stove area, I want to get these inserts taken out. Let me tell you something. I used to clean out these inserts like 3 times a month. Now I do it once a month and I need to do it way more often because we do cook a lot here. That is what you call something spilled while it was being boiled and it was not cleaned up. And it leaves a film. I feel like in my heart of hearts, that is from rice because we do eat a lot of rice and we also eat a lot of pasta, but that looks like rice water. If you have not used Dawn Power Wash, you definitely should because first of all, Dawn Power Wash is going to do about 75% of the job for you. You're not going to have to put a bunch of muscle into cleaning whatever area you're cleaning after you spray that power wash. So it's a great investment. Majority of the time when I'm cleaning, I really do try to use natural cleaning products and not so many like chemicals and that sort of thing. I will only use bleach once in a while in my home. And when I do use it, it's typically in a bathroom. Let me tell you something about vinegar if you don't know. First of all, I'm always shining a great light on vinegar. Vinegar, please sponsor your girl. Mr. Clean, please sponsor your girl. Method, Mrs. Myers, please sponsor your girl. Pine Sol, Fabuloso, I do not discriminate, okay? Sponsor your girl. Don't forget to get this part of it cleaned off. I made a little paste with baking soda and water, a little bit of vinegar, and hopefully that will come off quick, fast, and in a hurry. If not, it's okay. I mean, it is what it is, right? But let's see how it works. Again, let your cleaning products do the work for you. Work smart, not hard. That's my motto. New money. That concoction that I use worked really well. You saw it with your own eyes. Not bad at all. Look at that shine, girl. So in case you didn't know, now you know, vinegar works very well, as well as baking soda. You can use baking soda on a plethora of things, and it really is good for your sink too. Just put a little bit of baking soda down, spray it really, really good with some vinegar, and let it do the work for you, okay? Thank me later, girl. Thank me later.
I'm tired of always see the better in people or the things that matter, but I never could have thought that dagger in my bag, it was you. In the echoes of your lies, dear, can you hear me harmonize every word that comes out? It almost got the best of me, but now I've got it.
A lot of times when you're cleaning, your background can look a hot mess, and it will, and that's fine. Just try not to get overwhelmed. I know for me, I get a little bit of anxious when there's stuff just like laying around, but just know there's light at the end of the tunnel and everything is going to be okay. Have I ever told you that I am a simple girl? Because I am a simple girl. I love how clean this is. It's sparkling, no more film. Look how shiny that is, y'all. I use vinegar to clean off the microwave and on top of the stove. I also use it inside the inserts along with Dawn Power Wash because it did most of the work for me. I know I keep saying that, but it's a real thing. These definitely look much better, and I'm going to try to do it way more often than I have been doing it just to keep up with it. You know what I mean? How are you all doing mentally? I know we are about to be in a season of early winter, and it's super, super gray all the time in central Ohio. Not sure where you are from, but do you suffer from any kind of seasonal depression? That's one thing that be jacking me up year after year after year. There were a few years that I did not go through it at all because I was like spiking up my vitamin D, K, and also I have one of those sad lamps, and that worked really well. But last year, ooh-wee, it took me forever to get out of that funk. My goal this year is to say way more affirmations than what I have been saying in the past, especially during this time and during this season, because ain't nobody got time to be sitting around sad, broke, busted, and disgusted. Not broke, but you know what I'm saying. Like your spirit feels broken. When you have sadness that you're dealing with, the other thing that comes with that is body aches, earaches. Your legs might hurt, your head might hurt. You just don't have any kind of interest in doing anything. And really, that's not even my personality. We're all in this together. We can all support each other. So let me know what you're going to do this year to combat that. This is my palette cleaning cloths. And it's so funny because I just went out there with that blue one and put it in the trash rather than putting it here. Sometimes that happens to me when I am moving a little too fast. So slow down, just slow down. It's okay. I still have to hang up that little sign over there, but the kitchen is clean. I did a really, really quick speed clean because I did clean some things off in here and I wanted to make sure that the entire kitchen was touched. You know what I mean? I didn't touch my little DIY stand over there. I really need to pull that out and sweep behind there. You can see my ice maker behind there as well. So probably in the next video, I'll work on this corner right here. And then if you spin on around, don't get too dizzy, okay? Make sure you have your seatbelt on. I did wipe all of that off as well. So now I want to do this gypsy couch clean because I have other stuff that I want to do. It's kind of dark in here, but I have other stuff that I want to do in here. And why not do the gypsy couch clean first? And God said, let there be light. And that way it can dry and I can work on other things around here as well. Here are the needed items for this excursion. Some Mr. Clean, some gloves, a bowl, and a cleaning cloth. And some hot water.
You know it's truth deep inside. Won't you let it go?
Here's what the water's looking like before. Just gonna simply throw my rag in and let it get saturated. Let's zoom around and see what it looks like back here. Don't get dizzy, it's okay.
Your head's in a haze. Won't you lean on me? I'll catch you if you fall. So take a leap of faith. Your fixed ideas clouding up your mind. Won't stop until common sense applies. The sun illuminates ahead. Need you to let go. I'm standing on a cliff side while you tumble way below the waves. Undercurrent pulls you in. I try to guide you out to calm waters. Just give me your word. Oh, we gotta let go.
The artist of that song, Let Go, is 𝐓𝐇𝐈𝐒. I try to use him in majority of my videos because I really like his music. Hopefully he comes out with something new, but his song, Let Go, really resonated in my spirit, okay? Let go of the past, let go of the depression, let go of rude people, let go of your boss who cussed you out, let go of your spouse who's not nice to you. Let go. And here's the after shot of what it looks like after I have cleaned the entire couch. Now you could do this a few times to ensure the clarity of the water is a little bit more clear, but I'm not doing all that today. It's fine, everything's fine. From one pile to another pile. And again, sometimes your background's not gonna look the best, and that's okay. We're gonna get all of this cleaned up because it's several hours later now. I ended up going to have Mexican with my home girl, okay? She's like my sister. Tay, if you're watching, I love you so much. We had a really, really good time, and now I'm back. One of the fun facts that you can know about me is I could eat Mexican every single day and never, ever, ever get sick of it. That's something that I will not let go of. But in all seriousness, try to let go of those negative thoughts that you have, because at the end of the day, they're not going to do anything but eat you up. Just kind of reverse those thoughts into something positive and think about 5 things that you are thankful for and that you're grateful for. And I'm telling you something, it will definitely change your mood, your day, and how you think in the future. Just try it. There's a lot of construction going on around my home, and while I do live in a dust bucket, every time you open the door, more and more dust accumulates in the house. And sometimes it's not good dust. Sometimes it's, the dirt and debris that's outside. So I've found that I've been having to dust way more often than I normally do. My husband cracks me up because he's like, girl, you don't never be dusting because it's so dusty. And I'm like, baby, I keep telling you we live in a dust bucket. I'm not really sure why you don't believe me. Saying all that to say, I had wiped everything down in here probably 2 days ago, and there was another coat of dust. So I didn't wipe anything down. I just needed to make sure that I dusted. However, there are certain things that I cleaned in here in which you can watch and see that yourself. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you. I hope you have an amazing week. Say those affirmations because you are important. You need to know that. You need to let it resonate in your spirit, really feel it and really believe it, because there's certain things that you're not going to put up with knowing your worth, okay? Trust me. I love all of you. I hope you have an amazing week. Until we meet again.
It always feels good to be honest. Can't you admit that you want this? Everybody knows it except for you. When you're lying there on your deathbed, you will regret you kept quiet. Also not telling me straight up, ooh. So why you trying to hide your curiosity? When I know you call my name out in your sleep. Tell me, friend, can't you see you're in love with me? It's obvious we are that perfect match. Ain't no catch, you and I will make it last. Place your bet on me and everything will be alright. Take a chance, ain't no risk. You and I won't hit and miss. Give yourself to me and we'll be more than friends for life. So, what's it gonna be? You gotta give me something. What's it gonna be? Are we gonna do this or not?
You know what? These vacuum lines are lightweight disrespectful because for real, the carpet needs cleaned. So they're not as prominent as they normally are. However, everything's been wiped down. That's it for the day. Thank you for joining me. I will say that I cheated on my magic concoction because I didn't feel like running back upstairs. And I just cleaned this off with a glass cleaner that I use for my cleaning business. It's okay, it's not bad. However, there's a few streaks that I'm gonna have to hook up before I watch this TV again with my magic concoction.